gotta believe. Every moment of every day, you gotta believe. And when you start to believe, you gain confidence. It feeds off one another. You gotta believe. You gotta forget about what everyone else thinks. Because you're always gonna think they're thinking bad shit. You don't know that. Forget about what they think about. Think about what you think about. What do you think about? Do you want to be happy? What do you think about that makes you happy? What really makes you happy inside? Why don't you think about that more often? And be thankful you can think about that. It's all about being thankful. Gotta appreciate. No more bullshit. Appreciate.